What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from Eats Computer Solutions. So on this YouTube channel, I get a ton of emails about product reviews. So what I do is I go through these emails and try to analyze and give you guys the best product period on this YouTube channel. So when I get emails and companies give me an email of a picture like this, right? And when I see these pictures, I get excited. I get excited to bring in a product. Well, today, guys, I got a product here that's called the K1 joystick that you could play Fortnite and PUBG for, right? So today, guys, I'm going to show you the joystick, how it works on your mobile device, and I'm going to give you my impressions on how the joystick works. And not only that, but I'm giving both of these away to a lucky subscriber. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Let's have some fun and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So I got the K1 joystick here, and it's in this pouch, and I'm going to give one of these away. When I first got this product and I opened it up, this is what you're greeted with. All right, and it was a little confusing for me when I took this out of the package. I was like, okay, so what is this? And also you're greeted with another package in here. So when we pull this to the side and you open this up, this is what you're greeted with when you open the package up. And at first, again, I was confused, but it took a learning curve for me to kind of figure this out, and I will figure this out in a minute. Also, when you open this up, this is how you're greeted with this product. And again, on this YouTube channel, I try to always think about ease of use. Without further ado, let me explain and let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, you pull the tab out here, and it does come with a little small pamphlet instruction guide on how to do this. And the construction of this is, I mean, it's okay. It's not the greatest construction here. So basically, you got a groove here, and you slide this in like so, and you greet it like this. Now, at first, I figured, this is not going to work. It's a little flimsy, but when you put it on a phone, it actually feels pretty good. So this is one part. All right. This is the second part. You actually have to put this on your screen. When you put this on your screen, it actually coordinates with the screen, and it does some touch features here. All right, so when you're playing Fortnite or PUBG, this comes in handy a little bit. Again, this is a portable type of setup, and again, my first impressions with this was, wow, what's going on with this? But after using it for a few days, it seemed to be pretty functional. So let me go ahead and put it all together. I have my Galaxy Note 9, and the way you do this is you actually put it on your device. You actually stretch it out, and you put it on your device like so, and it kind of fits snug a little bit. And so here it is. And at first I felt that taking it out the package, it was kind of flimsy, but when you put it on the device, it actually feels pretty good, feels pretty premium, especially when you're playing games. Now, I can play games just like this without touching the screen, right? So you do have gripability if you don't want to use the nodes that I'm going to show you. Just basically like this. So playing games like this is boss, because you got a good handle, and so that is a nice thing if you want to play multiple games using this type of joystick. Let me go over it a little bit, and as you can see on the back of it, it stretches out and it goes on the device perfectly, and it does have a little groove for thicker devices. All right, and so you don't have any issues with that. And again, just being real with you, I was confused at first when I first got this product. All right, so let me go on and show you guys exactly how this works, but I need to open up PUBG first, and I want to show you guys when I open up PUBG, and I'm going to put these fixtures on top, and basically these go here on top of the device like so. All right, so you have one side here and you have the other side here. All right. Now I do have a glass screen protector on here. All right. And this is one of the things that I was concerned about because my power button is right here. So you do have to coordinate this right on the side here by using this. Now, when you look at this at first impressions, now you're ready to play. Now it works very good with this. Now let me fire up PUBG and I want to show you guys exactly how this works using PUBG. All right, so as you can see, I'm starting a match. I actually took one of these off so I can do some controls here. And what I wanted to show you guys is that actually you have to go into your settings and you have to go into your controls. You have to go into customize controls here and you have to move up your firing to the top because this is how it works. All right, so here is some of the gameplay here, and this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, my fist pump is located at the top. So when I press this, as you can see that the guy is doing his thing. So basically that's how this works. And one of the things that I found that the gripability on here is actually nice. I mean, the look and feel is nice. And as I'm getting popped off here, all right, and as y'all can see, I'm getting killed here. So let me grab a weapon and let me show you guys exactly how the weapon will work when I interact with this. All right, so I picked up a quick gun and I want to show you guys real quick on how this works. You see, I'm aiming, so it works pretty good here, right, as you can see. And you can kind of control and make things up here as you want. And as you can see, I'm reloading. So it is pretty neat if you're playing PUBG and for Fortnite and other games that you want to play, that you can move some of your controls at the top, that you can use the top buttons here, right here. So that is pretty nice. That is nice. Uh-oh, let's see. Boom. Kill. Want y'all guys to see that. Booyah. So if you're interested in this giveaway, all you got to do is just leave your comments down below. And again, this is going to be a United States only giveaway. I will ship this to you free of charge. All I'm going to do is pick 2 people, random 2 people in the comments down below. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the K1 mobile joystick in all its glory. And it's supposed to work with iOS also. So yes, it's supposed to work with an iPhone, but I'm using Android. See you guys on the next video. Peace.